Stop scrolling and ask yourself, is your hustle actually leading you anywhere? Or are you just running on the world's fanciest hamster wheel? Let's get real. Most systems want you broke, tired, and chasing endless leads that never seem to pay off. But what if there was a way out? Picture this. You wake up and your email list is growing, your follow-ups are happening automatically, and your downline is expanding without you lifting a finger. That's not a dream. That's AI Matrix spillover. It's not just another program. It's your ticket out of the grind and into freedom. The 2x2 matrix system means spillover. So even if you're not a recruiting machine, you still win. Fast $20 commissions, recurring monthly income, and finally leveraging a network that works for you, not the other way around. Imagine getting ahead while others are still stuck in the old game, chasing leads and burning out. This is where you stop surviving and start thriving. Ready to unplug from the system and see how deep the rabbit hole goes? Click the link, choose freedom, and let AI Matrix Spillover change your game forever. Your move.